I'm 44, and my family was invited to my mom's for Easter dinner. My husband is Muslim and doesn't eat pork, which my mom knew. She planned to make ham and a chicken dish for us, but later said she was too busy to make the chicken. We arrived at 12, and since the only protein was pork, we had eaten cheeseburgers on the way. My mom was furious when she found out, but my husband and I calmly explained that we had eaten because there was no suitable food for us. My grandmother defended my mom, saying we should have just eaten the side dishes. I think my mom was unreasonable, but I'm wondering if I was in the wrong for eating before coming to her house.